Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These will help you safely disassemble your laptop without causing any damage. Start by powering off your Asus UX530U and unplugging it from any power source. Next, remove the back cover by unscrewing the screws located around the perimeter. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the back cover is off, you'll see the internal components. Locate the charging connector, which is typically situated near the battery. Carefully disconnect the battery to prevent any electrical issues while you work. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the charging connector. Gently lift it out, taking care not to damage any surrounding components. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. Now, let's address the loose GPU heatsink. You'll need to locate the screws that hold the heatsink in place. These are usually marked and can be found near the GPU. Remove these screws and gently lift the heatsink off. Be cautious, as their metal paste may have dried up and could require cleaning. Using a lint-free cloth, clean the old thermal paste from both the GPU and the heatsink. Apply a small amount of new thermal paste evenly on the GPU surface. This will help in effective heat dissipation. Reattach the heatsink by aligning it with the GPU and securing it with the screws you previously removed. Ensure it is tightly fastened to prevent any overheating issues in the future. Now, let's replace the charging connector. Position the new connector in place and secure it with the screws. Reconnect the battery, ensuring all connections are firm and secure. Before closing the back cover, it's a good idea to perform a quick internal cleanup. Use compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and vents. This will help maintain optimal airflow and cooling for your laptop. Once everything is clean and secure, replace the back cover and screw it back into place. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. Finally, power on your Asus UX530U and check if the charging connector is functioning correctly, and monitor the GPU temperature. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. This ensures you know the costs up front, with no calls or travel required. With these steps, you should have successfully repaired your Asus UX530U, ensuring it runs efficiently and effectively. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.